This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include the premium sound package, a navigation system, and the cooled seats create a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, keeping everyone comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium sound system, running boards, privacy glass, traction control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 46,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Stonebriar Chevrolet in Frisco for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 9950 Highway 121, just east of Stonebriar Mall, and only minutes from anywhere in the Metroplex.